Hello to all of you on the Digital Doc, and you are watching the reviews and the unboxing on our channel Digital Doc. If you are watching our channel, if you are following our channel, if you are liking the channel, please do not forget to subscribe our channel Digital Doc. So time today for another unboxing and a short review. What's that in front of us on the table of Digital Doc? It is the power cord, power strip and the cord. Amazon Basic Indoor 2-prong extension power cord strip, flat plug, 6-foot, pack of 2, white. So first, before the unboxing, the 4 sides. Amazon Basics, the specs, 6-foot, 1.6 meter it is showing, and on this side it is showing the website, and on the other side it's flat. This side it's flat, white, this side it's flat. Let's unbox it. So we will have to open it. So there's a pack of 2, the 6-foot, and just see the box all empty, and these are the 2 power bars. And when there are less spaces, you have to utilize behind the sofas, behind the living wall areas, short areas where you don't have a room for the bigger outlets. Just see how flat, and the diameter is how squeezed up for the easy handling. Color is white, brand is Amazon Basics, voltage is 125 volts, input current 13 amperes, plug type B, wattage is 1625 watts, 2-prong compatible polarized extension cord. Setup 2 extends the length of your power cord from hard to reach outlets, rated for indoor use with a small electronics, other devices with 2-prong power cords plugged into the standard 3-prong 120 volts AC outlets, maximum 13 amperes, 125 watts, 1625 watts, space saving flat plugs. The space saving, the flat plugs, as I told you, lays flush against the wall, and the price of these 2 with the Amazon Basics, the price is $12.50 on the deal from the Amazon. And if you have a Prime account, it can reach to you in 1 day. Otherwise, it will take 3 to 4 days. Excellent service, excellent product. Once I will use it, will give you a review of this. Seems to be very good. We will have to open, and I will show you the length of this physically by holding. So at the extreme stretch, when I am holding it, it is just like this. So almost at the length of my full 2 arms. Very flat on both sides. Just see, and if I can show you plugs over here, you can see it over here, you can see, just see the diameter. See the diameter says Amazon Basics. So till another review and till another unboxing from the Digital Doc, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Take care and bye bye.